We can continue exercise 15A, question number 3. P is a point on side BC of a parallelogram ABCD. If DP produced meets AB produced at point L, prove that first one DP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL. Second one DL is to DP is equal to AL is to DC. Given that P is a point on side BC of the parallelogram ABCD, if DP produced meet AB, DP produced, so produced up to L, meet AB, this line AB at the point L. So DP produced meet at a point L, so which lies in that line AB, so that meets at a point L. That means DP produced meets DP produced, so it is extending, that line DP is extending, so DP produced meets AB produced at point L. So AB is also extending, so that two lines meet at point L. Prove that DP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL is our first part. So finding the proportionality, first we want to find out that two triangles are similar or not. After that only we can find out which one proportionality. So for that consider triangle BPL and CPD. These two triangles we want to consider. So same as the previous question, these two angles will be the vertically opposite angles. So these two will be equal. Which are the two angles equal? BPL will be equal to DPL, since these two are the vertically opposite angles. So this one. Next, given DC and AB are parallel. Okay. So which two will be the alternate angles? PB, L. PB, these two are parallel lines. If you are considering these two triangles, this angle PBL and which one? C will be the what? Alternate angles. C means what? PC, D. These two are the alternate angles. So that two will be equal. Alternate angles will be equal. AB and CD are parallel lines and BC is the transversal. So this angle B will be equal to angle C. So now we got two angles. So using the similarity property, we can say that triangle BPL is similar to triangle CPD. So these two triangles are similar. Two angles are the, so we can write AA postulate. So since these two are similar, we can write PL divided by DP, corresponding sides. No. So how can we write PL divided by DP is equal to what? BL, this side, BL divided by DC. I will mark two lines here. So for this I will mark one line. So PL divided by DP is equal to BL divided by DC. Then third side is which one? BP divided by CP. So third side I mark in third line, three lines. So BP divided by CP. Look at this. First we can take BP, GP. So how can we write? If we are considering these two, PL divided by DP is equal to BL divided by CD. Taking the reciprocal, so it will become DP divided by PL. Here also DC divided by BL. BP divided by PL in ratio form, how can we write? BP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL. That is our first part. Next we want to find out DL is to DP is equal to AL is to DC. So for that Same concept we can apply here, same as this one. DL divided by DP is equal to AL divided by AB. DL, we want to find out what DL is to DP. DL is to DP we want to find out. So DL divided by DP is equal to AL divided by AB. Since given ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB, instead of AB we can write it as CD. AB can be replaced as CD since these two are equal. So this, mark it as equation number 1. So what happened to equation number 1? 1 becomes what? DL as DL itself, DP is equal to AL. Instead of AB we can write it as DC. Okay, then cross multiply. So you will get it as what? DL is to, that is DL is to DP. DL is to, without cross multiplying you can directly write, because our answer is what? DL is to DP. No, so no need of cross multiply. Simply we can write what? DL is to form only, not multiplication form. DL divided by means is to, divided by DP. So DL is to DP is equal to AL is to DC. That is our second part. Thank you.